Boom! At the open, all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy. Jimmy.
Now what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning, I wanna turn on this. Deck it quick. While the average man looking at this, it's sad like she fine as it. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like 5-6. I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stock pick. I know that booty got dropped, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot keys. Strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounce. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thumb, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and die. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, make profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, pull the trigger, and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watch watching them gain big profits while I'm still in my same making profits. They used to watch me move them packets. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETF. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Him make profits. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? They make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Him make profits.
That TTG money gang, we some snipers.
Hey yo, what's up everyone? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. My name is Michael Edward Paranati and I go by Michael Edward. I began my trading career over 17 years ago. I felt like a politician just then. Over 17 years ago, while working at T3 Alpha Fund in New York City, my very first job right out of college, where they taught me how to basically become a trader. Right before they let me touch even $1 of their money, I had to go through their educational training program. And then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession and the stock market crash, but also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now you fast forward, I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group, along with my team of 9 other professional trading mods and an over 30-person staff. We've helped thousands of members from all over the world reach their goals. We actually have members in 115 different countries, so we truly are a global community. For those of you that did not know, we're also the fastest growing and highest rated premium online education platform that combines university level and professional trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools, live workshops, and individual mentorship and coaching for stocks, options, crypto, and futures. We also cover all styles of trading. We do day trading, swing trading, and also even long-term investing. But you see, we take that university level curriculum and we combine it with today's top financial tools that are worth well over $5,000 a year on their own. They give you more information. They help you make better decisions. They increase your chances of success. Most retail traders don't use these tools, though, because they're expensive. You're talking about $5,000 or $6,000 a year. It's a lot of money to ask somebody to pay for just tools. I know that, but I also think you need them. That's why we spend years building relationships with these companies so we can put their tools and products on our platform at no additional cost to you. It's included when you guys join the True Trading Group annual membership. These are tools like Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, congressional trading data, track trades by Congress, insider trading, track trades by management, a simulator by ETNA to let you practice trading with fake money but real-time data, same sim that's actually used at Cal State University Fulton, University of Wisconsin Whitewater, Berkeley Haas, and even Illinois Tech. You also get TradingView's premium charting software with real-time tick-for-tick data by Quote Media. You got unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data. Also, the trade idea scanner streams on our platform. You got short data. Honestly, all that, so much more. Yes, you get our courses. Yes, you get our trade alerts, but you also get all of these things when you join True Trading Group. We set you up with everything that you need to have the best chance of being successful at one affordable price for the entire year. You also get access to all of our members, the most educated, helpful, supportive, and successful community of traders that you're ever going to find. Of course, the real-time trade alerts from the moderators and myself that have been able to maintain a cumulative win rate amongst us as a whole of just around 80% on all of our executions for roughly now the last 4 years. And of course, for those of you that work full-time jobs and have a busy schedule, all the tools, resources, alerts, everything is accessible on our mobile apps that are designed to keep you connected no matter how busy you are, what you're doing. If you have a phone or a tablet, if you can listen to music during the day, then you can listen to the analysis and get real-time push notifications when our mods enter and exit their trades. So if you guys are ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you're welcome to the right place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here where myself, other TGD Pro trading mods, and special guests will drop golden nuggets and give you free lessons, education, and trade ideas that can help you all become better traders. So if you've not yet done so, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, make sure you never miss out on any of these live streams. I'm dropping golden nuggets on a regular basis, quite honestly. Markets did exactly what we said last night. If you guys caught the live stream last night, we said that we were anticipating a bounce back in the markets off of that level. I even drew the candle for you on last night's live stream, and that green candle, there it is. So talking about getting that bounce off of that support level, we got it. There it is. Beautifully timed and beautifully done. Now the question is, how much more upside do we get off of that little technical bounce off of a very key support level? We talked about that yesterday, but we also talked about something else yesterday that I need to repeat. And I had a very open conversation with you guys on the live stream last night, if you caught it. And if you heard me go over this yesterday, cool. I think you need to hear it again. If you missed it yesterday, I really think that it bears repeating, because of something specific that actually happened today for members of True Trading Group. So I'm going to repeat what I discussed yesterday to start off this live stream. And then we're going to get into the action in the markets today. We got some GDP data coming out. You've got inflation data coming out. You got the jobless claims numbers that are all the back half of this week is going to be huge. So we've got to start to prep for that and talk about where we're going to be making money and go over the game plans that I have for you guys. Full disclosure, I did exit the Instacart short position. I shorted it last week. I exited that position today. Okay, so final take profit came off. Full disclosure on the Instacart position, I shorted it last week. Final profit came off today. I'm no longer short Instacart. If I do get back into that position, I'll certainly let you guys know, but I'm completely out of that position as it stands right now. So let me go over and tell you the story that I shared with you yesterday, because I don't use social media a lot. A lot of people know that. But over the weekend, I was kind of just getting caught up. I was going through my social media and I got a message from somebody, and that person told me that they were going to be on the live stream last night. So they asked me some questions and I went over it with them yesterday. I got a message from this person, and basically I'll give you kind of the background story that this person is recently divorced. And they did not get equal time with the kid, and they've got a good career. Things have been steady. But one of the reasons why they did not get equal custody of the kid was because they had to relocate for his job. Same company, but a different location. And, you know, he's been contemplating taking a different job that pays less instead of having to relocate, because obviously the divorce is very expensive. And, you know, he's concerned about, you know, making less money and having to change his lifestyle, but he doesn't want to not see his kid. So the question that I'm being asked from this person was, they had success trading during the pandemic. They actually said that he was a profitable trader during the pandemic, but really hasn't been able to stay on top of it. And ever since going back to work, and now especially with having to move, he saw our live streams, but he also knows somebody that is a lifetime member of True Trading Group. And the person was asking me basically if I thought this was something that if he needed to, he could potentially supplement his income if he had to take a job that pays less money, so that he did not have to relocate, so that he can stay closer to his kid. And he really asked me for a real answer. So this is the backstory of what I explained to people last night. He also told me that, you know, he had toyed with being part of other groups like during COVID and other trade alert services or Discord groups or whatever it is. And they promised him the world and they only gave him breadcrumbs. So the question was, is it possible to supplement a lower paying income for him by trading? And if he takes less on a salary or bonus, whatever it is, I didn't get the details of what he was making, can that be supplemented with profits from trading? That was question number one. And then question number two that he had asked me was like, well, what makes True Trading Group different from some of these other groups that I've been a part of? And he was like, well, what do I get when you actually join True Trading Group? And what I want people to understand is, first of all, I feel for that person so much, because I just think that a father being put in the position of, do I choose providing for my family or spending time with my family? That is a decision that I just feel like no parent should have to make, because you're damned if you do and you're damned if you don't. And I really, really, really felt for this guy when he was explaining this story to me. So let me answer these questions. You guys have to realize that there are 9 professional trading moderators that alert all of their trades and all their long-term portfolio buys and sells in real time as a member of True Trading Group. Now, this includes day trade and swing trade alerts for stocks, options, crypto, and futures. All of their buys, all of their sells, their entire thought process, it is shared with you in real time throughout the day. So all these alerts are sent directly to you in real time for free from our TTG mobile app that's available for Android and Apple. As a member of True Trading Group, thanks to these push notifications that you get It's the same way you get push notifications for like the news or for a weather alert or for an Amber alert. You get those push notifications like that. That is the same way that you receive our trade alerts. So this tool ensures that whether you're in front of your computer or you're not, whether you're on the go, whether you're in the car, you're at the lunchroom table, or you're at your kid's school event, you are going to receive the information that you need in order to act upon to have the very best chance of making money. And with a collective cumulative win rate of just around 80% on all of our executions for the last roughly 4 years, there's been an incredible opportunity for most people to take advantage of all the action as a member of True Trading Group. Now, I asked this question yesterday, and I'm going to ask it again. How many of you have been to Las Vegas? Type the number 7 if you've been to Las Vegas. Just type the number 7 if you've been to Las Vegas. Again, if you were on my live stream last night, I did this last night. I asked this question last night, but I really feel like it bears repeating, especially because of what happened today. And I'll explain to you what happened today and why I feel like this bears repeating. So just go ahead and just type the number 7. See how many of you have the bug and have the itch like I do. I think I said that last night too. Speaking of which, I got to get out there soon. Adam's been bugging me to go, man. Adam's really been bugging me to go. We got to get out there. All right, so we got a bunch of people here that have been there. Daddy Trades, you've been there when you were 13. That doesn't even count, man. It doesn't even count. Daddy Trades, when Adam and I go, you got to meet us out there. We'll show you Vegas the right way. But all right, anyway, you see, you got a lot of people here that are typing the number 7. So a lot of you have been to Vegas. Excellent. Now, what I want everyone here to do, when you think of True Trading Group, I want you to think of Las Vegas. And not in the way that you may think. I don't want you to think of True Trading Group like you think of Vegas because of gambling, right? Because the stock market is not a casino. This is not gambling. What we do for a living is not gambling. Trading is all about probability. It's not gambling. So not in that sense, but I want you to think of it because of Vegas has some of the best food around. Like there's not a person alive that can't go to Vegas and find a really amazing exact dish, whatever it is that they're looking for, whatever it is that they're in the mood in, whatever they're in the mood for. It's one of the best places. I'd say the Wynn. The Wynn is a fantastic place. Obviously, Aria is amazing. The Cosmopolitan, you've got Caesars, right? But at the Wynn, use the Wynn for an example. At the Wynn, you've got the buffet. And the buffet at the Wynn is actually one of the highest ranked buffets in Vegas. But you want a little bit of everything, then you've got that buffet. But if you want maybe some really good Italian food, you got Cipriani's at the Wynn. Maybe that's why I like the Wynn, because I love Cipriani's. Okay. If you want some really good steak, you've got SW Steak. If you want good Asian food, you've got Red 8. So no matter if you want a little bit of everything, you go to the buffet. Well, then maybe if you're a trader, if you want to trade options, well, then maybe you go to SW Steak. If you want to trade equities, then maybe you go to Cipriani's, get yourself some Italian food. Or maybe if you want to trade futures, you go to Red 8 and get yourself some Asian food, right? Like there's a little bit of something for everybody depending on what you're in the mood for. And the quality of that offering is outstanding. Like you can go to all these places and have just an absolutely incredible, amazing meal. Right? So there's literally something for everybody at True Trading Group. And there's literally something for everybody to eat in Vegas. And the quality of the offering is outstanding. And I want you to take our word for it, because you know what I think of, like when how do you know you've had a really good meal? Okay. You know how you should have a really good meal? Is when you feel full, you feel satisfied, and when you want to come back for more. You already say, right? You all say, "Oh, I would definitely come back here," right? As you're all sitting there talking about, "Oh, I would definitely come back." Yeah. Like, "Oh, yeah, I'll come back next time. I'll get that. I'll get the other thing on the menu instead." Right? That's how you know you had a really good meal. Well, I got to tell you something. That's exactly how members of True Trading Group feel. because members of True Trading Group are full, they are satisfied, and they cannot wait to come back for more and buy full and buy satisfied. I'm talking about making money, becoming better traders, and we're doing that on a consistent basis at True Trading Group. The vast majority of our members are lining their pockets, and they're coming back for more. Don't take my word for it. Listen to them themselves. Members, do me a favor. If you guys are full, satisfied, coming back for more, making money, and becoming better traders because of True Trading Group, I want you to go ahead and type the number 1 in chat right now. Just go ahead and type the number 1 inside chat right now. Now, for those of you that are not members of TTG, just pay attention to how many people are going to be typing the number 1 inside chat. These are real people, folks, telling you that they're full, that they are satisfied, and they are coming back for more. Pay attention to how many number 1s you are going to see come through this side of the screen. Now I gotta do something. I gotta tell you something that some of you know, but some of you don't, but nobody wants to hear it. And that is that get rich quick schemes don't exist. I'm sorry. I wish that they did, but they don't. I wish I can tell you all you gotta do is pay X amount, sign on the dotted line, put this many hours for this many days, and you're gonna be rich. Poof, just like that. I wish there was an equation like that. I wish it were that simple. I like to consider myself a 17-year-old overnight success. I began this journey 17 years ago. Here I am now today. Get rich quick schemes don't work. Half of you know that to be true, but for some people that are on this live stream, they might feel like I just told them that Santa Claus isn't real. But now there's the good news. Because yes, there's no such thing as get rich quick, but there is such a thing as get rich smart. Let me explain to you what I'm referring to. Because in life, I'm sure you've all heard the expression, it's not what you know, it's who you know. How many of you know someone that maybe got a promotion or they got to where they are in life because of who they knew and who they were around in their life? Maybe you were more qualified for the promotion, but they got it. Well, my friends, you may not like it, but that is the way that the world works. Your network is your net worth. You ever hear that expression? I'm sure you've heard all of these. It's not, these expressions don't exist just because they sound cool. It's because it's the truth. So if you want to show me who you are, you show me who you surround yourself with. Whether you want to climb the corporate ladder, you want to become the president of the United States, or you want to maybe do well in the stock market. My friends, it all comes down to the company that you keep. The company that you keep is a very powerful tool that most people overlook. When you're trading and you're investing, you're not just buying shares of something off of a shelf. There's another trader, investor, or a group of investors or traders that are on the other side of that trade. It's you against them. And you got to wonder who has your back in that situation. Do you think the customer support department at Robinhood has your back? What about the mod in that Discord chat that you were a part of that always used to tell you just the YOLO diamond hands? And when the stock would go down and you'd ask, hey man, do you still like this? They would go, oh, don't be a bitch. Diamond hands, bro, YOLO, right? Does that person have your back? Or what about that circle of like really angry people on Twitter that all they do is say that the stock market's a scam because they've lost money. So therefore the only explanation that they lost money is that the stock market's a scam, not because they're too lazy to figure out, how to actually do this, or because they did something wrong or they listened to the wrong people. That can't be the explanation. It has to be the stock market's a scam, right? Who are you surrounding yourself with? What is the message that you are being told? Because I can tell you guys, all these people that type the number 1, they're all different people. They all come from different backgrounds and different lifestyles. They all have different trading styles. Some day trade, some swing trade, some just do long-term investing. But you know what they all have in common? They're all part of a community that actually genuinely gives a damn and cares about each other's success. When somebody loses, they want to know how they lost. They want to know the reason. They want to, so that you can learn from it, so that they can learn from it. When you win, they want to know how you won. What did you do? So that they can win, so that they can learn from it. So you can learn from your wins, not just always learning from your losses, right? Every time that people lose, I was like, oh, learn from your losses. Well, Let's make some winning trades too. How about that we can actually learn from? Because you're not in this game just to keep losing money and then you just keep, I'm going to keep learning as I lose money. Let's keep learning as we make money. Let's try that on for a change. Being part of the right community and having the right people around you with the right mindset is crucial. And let me tell you something, having access to this while on the go, while living a busy lifestyle is even more crucial because let me tell you, when the COVID lockdowns, like that whole life is over. The COVID lockdowns, everybody is back to work. But I'll tell you a little secret. The stock market doesn't just exist for those people that are furloughed, fired, retired, or working from home. The stock market's not just for them. It works for everybody. But again, who you surround yourself with, what message you are hearing matters. I want you to imagine for a second that you're at work, or maybe you just got home, maybe you're walking the dog, or you're at your kid's school event or sporting event or whatever it is, right? I want you to imagine any one of those situations. And all of a sudden you get a notification on your phone. Ding, goes off on your phone. You pull up your phone, you look at it. Oh, wow, Mike just bought Tesla. Okay, Mike just bought Tesla at this price. He says, if I want to follow that trade, I can either buy the stock or I can buy the $250 strike call option that expires next Friday. I can do that. Or, let me see about this. You pick up your phone and you log into chat and you ask members, hey guys, I just saw that Mike got into Tesla. What's he thinking? Does he think this is going to go up just over the next couple of hours? Does he think this is going to go up for the next couple of days? Imagine that scenario, and then you have hundreds of members of True Trading Group that are responding to you, telling you exactly what the game plan is, what the analysis is, where we're going to take profits, where we're going to get out if we're wrong. And you're going to have the other moderators and myself answering those questions as well. Imagine that. Imagine having access to something like that, where there's 9 professional traders every day in chat doing that exact same thing on our platform for members of True Trading Group. And all you need is this. That's it. You don't have to be sitting in front of your computer, staring at charts and screens all day long. Just have this. It's all it takes. No matter what that is worth, honestly, we're never going to be able to charge enough for it because its value is, quite frankly, the value of something like that is beyond estimation. It's invaluable to have something like that. Now, I just went over why, like all of our members and the community of True Trading Group is amazing. But without our pro trading moderators and the professional traders, the people that are in True Trading Group from sun up to sun down, and sometimes even overnight, the people that literally use this as a way to put food on the tables for their families, without them, it would just be the blind leading the blind. The mentoring, the coaching that we provide as part of our membership, whether you are a brand new trader, you've never done this before in your entire life, you're looking for a place to start, you're a little bit intimidated, or if you're looking to maybe get your footing back after you took a big loss, or maybe you're already a full-time trader, but you're looking to take things to the next level. No matter where you are in your journey, True Trading Group has the coaching, the mentoring, and the support that you need to achieve and reach your goals. Our pro traders are not just some kids that got lucky on crypto, bought a Lamborghini, now they think that they're a guru. Our pro traders include people like myself, 17 years of experience, started working out on Wall Street at a fund, received a Trader of the Year award while trading millions of dollars during the great financial crisis that the world has ever seen. You all have ever seen. It's not worse than the Great Depression, right? But that we all have ever seen. You have somebody with nearly 30 years of experience who used to be a market maker, showing you how to make money in this market. You have another caliber person that is in there that's a single father who had to raise his son alone using options trading for almost 25 years as a means to make sure that his child's got clothes on his back and he's got food on the table. Another person that's been swing trading professionally for over 17 years despite having MS. You have another person that shows up every day and educates you with the same enthusiasm that you get walking into your first day of kindergarten from your kindergarten teacher. You all know the enthusiasm that kindergarten teacher has. We call that person the professor inside a True Trading Group. Then you got somebody else that was actually in your same exact position, your shoes, just 3 years ago. Someone that served this country in the Air Force and is now a full-time trader and an educator over at True Trading Group and actually quit a 6-figure paying job in order to become a full-time trader. My friends, True Trading Group it's not just me. It's that. It's a group. It's a family. And when you sign up to True Trading Group to become a part of this family, you are becoming a part of this family. This is as real as it gets. So This was my response to the person that asked me those questions on social media over the weekend. And I shared this story and I shared the same response with you guys last night because I really feel like it bears repeating. You know, we got a hell of a stream here today. The markets did exactly what we anticipated that they were going to do today. And we got GDP data that's coming up. You got inflation, the PCE number that's coming up. That PCE number is going to be important because the CPI and the PPI numbers were higher than expected. Those inflation numbers were higher than expected. But the core CPI and core PPI numbers were right in line with expectation. But the Fed pays very close attention to core PCE. So you really want to make sure that the core PCE number is in line with expectations. You don't want that core PCE number to be above expectations. You don't. That's going to create a ton of volatility in this market, I'll tell you that. Not to say that you don't want it. It's not that I do or don't want anything. I really don't care, to be quite honest with you. I really don't care if inflation goes up, inflation goes down. I mean, that might sound selfish, but I don't need the markets to go up or down. I just need the markets to be open. That's it. That's why I love this. That's why I love this so much, because as long as the market is there, we've got chances to make money. It's not about whether the market's going to go up or down or sideways or left, right, inside out. It doesn't matter. How many people on this actually, I'd like to know how many people are on this live stream real quick that are not members of True Trading Group. You guys do me a favor and just type the letters TTG. If you are not a member of True Trading Group, just type the letters TTG if you're new and you're not a member. I just want to see how many people are on here that are not members. Just go ahead and type TTG. Don't be shy, folks. Like I said, just go ahead and type TTG. If you guys are not a member of True Trading Group, just go ahead and type TTG. We got Benoit, Johnny Nunez. Just go ahead and type TTG, folks. Those of you that are not part of the community. Raul, Daniel Powell, Simon. Armand, I think you're a trial member if I'm not mistaken. We got Hunter. All right, cool, guys. We do have we got a handful. Oh, Tobias, J. Remy. All right, cool. All right. Well, actually, folks, we actually do have to, while I see a bunch of people that are typing TTG in chat, we do actually have to welcome Vic. We have to welcome Vic. Vic just became a member of the True Trading Group community. So, guys, welcome Vic. Vic is the newest member of the group. Johnny Gutierrez, what's up, bro? One of these days, Johnny, I'm going to get to call your name on this live stream, and I'm going to be able to welcome you as a member of True Trading Group. One of these days. I'm excited for when that day comes. You will see me have extra enthusiasm when I announce your name. We got to welcome Vic to the True Trading Group community. You know what, Vic, props to you, bro, because we actually did not get any more laptops, but you know what? I don't even think Adam's here right now because it's Yom Kippur, but Adam doesn't know it yet, but we're just going to buy laptops for people full price for those that want it. He doesn't know it yet. He'll find out after this live stream is over. So don't worry about it. He's not going to be happy, or maybe he will. I don't know. Maybe he's in a giving mood. Who knows? But I want to make sure that everyone that just typed the letters TTG, I just want to make sure you guys have access to all the same opportunities that the members of True Trading Group have, because we've got a 54% discount on the membership to True Trading Group here. I'll tell you guys real quick how to join. Just go to ttgoffer.com, and every single thing that's on that checkout page is included when you guys join. Now, the price of our membership is normally $2,200, but if you use this coupon code, TTG121, that gives you a 54% discount. It drops the price from $2,200 down to just $997 for the entire year. So it's $997 for the whole year, I will buy, I don't know. Look, you know what? We did the Vegas thing. We said 7. I'll make it 11. So 11 laptops, right? Little craps. So 11 laptops is what we're going to buy here for the next 11 people that join True Trading Group here this evening. We'll pay the full retail price for it. We weren't able to get any from our wholesalers, so it's much more expensive for us, but not for you. The laptop is totally free. We cover the shipping. We ship anywhere in the world. We have members in 115 different countries. So no matter where you live, as long as you live on Earth, I'll get you that laptop. You don't have to enter your address when you join to get it. You're going to get a welcome email after you join with instructions how to claim that free laptop. So we're going to look out for that welcome email. Okay? Be on the lookout. Now, everything on ttgoffer.com is included when you join for the $997. It's our 23-course curriculum, which is a simplified and expanded upon version of the training program that I went through when I worked at the fund in New York. There's beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, futures, you name it, we've got it. You have access to all of it. There is no upsell for those additional courses. Every course is included when you join our community. You also get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, congressional trading data to track trades by Congress, insider trading, so you can see when the CEO of a company buys or sells shares of their own company. If you went to Benzinga on your own, that alone, those 3 things would cost you $1,400 a year. It's included when you join True Trading Group for just $997. You also get Quote Media's full book level 2, Trading Views premium charting software, the simulator from ETNA to let you trade with fake money but real-time data, our different AI tools. I use our AI trading assistants that can help you develop conservative and aggressive trading styles. That can break down and analyze news sentiment for you. No additional cost or hidden fees for these things. Pay $997 for the whole year. You've got it for 365 days. You got the Trade Ideas scanner streams on our platform, so you can use it to focus on the best stocks that are out there. Our own proprietary scanner lets you create custom scans. You've got dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, short data. Some of you guys may pay for this data already. It's very expensive if you know that it is. If you pay for it already, some of you might. It is included when you join our platform. You also get a trading journal, tracks your trades for you, breaks it down to the statistics. You can see what you're doing wrong. Social sentiment scanner will tell you what stocks are being talked about most on social media. You got analyst ratings on any stock that you're interested in. See how many analysts have a buy, sell, or hold rating. The Mods and I publish watch list every morning with detailed, hey, these are the stocks we're focused on. These are our entry and exit prices. So you know exactly where to focus your attention before the day even begins. And then you've got those real-time trade alerts, the push notifications. All you need is this, iPhone, Android, you've got it. You will get notified when our professional traders enter and exit their positions in real time. You've got access to our video library. There's like 600 hours of workshops in there. You can attend those workshops live once you become a full-time member. And guys, listen, I back this up. Listen, I know we talk a big game on these live streams, but I back it up with our own money. I believe so strongly in the platform that we have created that we actually offer a double your money back guarantee. So this is how it works. You join today, you'll pay $997. You get every single thing that is on that page, ttgoffer.com. Everything on that page, you get it for $997. You just have to use the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code, the price drops to $997. You have to manually enter that coupon code. It's not going to do it for you. So join, you'll pay $997 for the year. Go through our courses, pass our quizzes, and attend one study group. Use the platform. Don't just log onto our site 6 times all year and be like, I didn't make any money. Do those things. And if you can't make enough winning trades that equal what you've paid for that membership throughout the year, then I'll give you back double your money. It's as simple as that. Everything is clearly listed on our refund policy on our website. Yes, it is real. Go read it. So you'll pay $997. If you don't make enough winning trades to equal $997, I'm going to give you back $1,994. That's double what you are paying to join True Trading Group. And you can keep the laptop too, by the way. I'm not going to take the laptop back from you. The laptop is free. It's a gift for joining our community. It's a free Windows laptop. It's going to either be an Asus, Acer, HP, Dell, or Lenovo laptop. Again, be on the lookout for the welcome email when you guys join. There'll be instructions in there how to claim that free laptop. Okay? Now, if you guys have any questions at all, send us a text message to 786-505-4049. The phone number is at the bottom of the screen. 786-505-4049. We're fully transparent. We're an open book here. You guys have any questions about anything, me, the mods, our trading, the laptop, the W Money Back Guarantee, the courses, anything, the tools, send us a text message to that phone number, and we will happily answer any questions that you guys have for us. So go to ttgoffer.com, use that coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. As long as you see a laptop in the checkout cart, like I said, I'll do 11. We did 7 last night for Vegas. Now we'll do 11. So 7 and 11. All right, little craps numbers coming on through there. All right, so 11 laptops remaining. Again, if you see a laptop in the checkout cart, that's how you know that you're getting one. All right, if you don't see it, that means seven people have already signed up and they've grabbed them. I'm only going to do it for 11. I'm only going to do it for the 11 people. You gotta stop somewhere. I can't just buy 20 laptops. All right, so there you guys have it. All right, there we go. All right, folks, I'll take a little sip of water, and then we're going to dive on into the markets today. Benoit says, I sign up. Benoit, I'm waiting for you. Benoit, I'm waiting for you. ttgoffer.com, brother. And there he is. Benoit did sign up. Boom, there Benoit. I just saw the confirmation. Benoit, welcome to the True Trading Group family, brother. 10 laptops now remain, guys. Welcome, Benoit, the newest member to the True Trading Group community. I'm happy to now call you my brother. Welcome. 10 laptops now remain. Folks, again, go to ttgoffer.com and use the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. Price drops to $9.97. All right, let's talk markets. And here's our little green candle today. Are we surprised, members of True Trading Group? No, we are not. Why are we not surprised? Because last night on the live stream at 8:30 p.m., I told you that I expected the markets were going to bounce today. Now, I'm not going to be right every time. I'm not sitting here trying to pretend like I'm never wrong. I thought we'd have more downside on Instacart today. Like I thought we were going to get into the 28s. We got to like 29 and the stock bounced back to 30.5, but I took my profits off on that short position. But we did not get down to my final target on the Instacart, but still made some money on it. Singles and doubles wins games. But with the SPY, okay, what I want to look at here with the SPY, guys, is a nice little bounce back day. We talked about it on the live stream. We drew that candle. And you want to know what that resulted in today for members? An 85% gain on JP Morgan call options. An 85% gain over the course of a few hours. That's what this resulted in for members in True Trading Group today. You see, if you came into the day today just looking for the markets to completely sell off and roll out of bed and continue the downtrend that you saw over the last couple of trading days from last week, then you would have got caught short today as the market started red and then finished green. And you would have lost money if you guys were getting short there early in the morning. But we came into the day today anticipating a market bounce and anticipating a market recovery. And if you guys look at this level, I'll just draw it out for you. There's your support level. There's your support level. It used to be resistance there in the beginning of June. It used to be resistance there in August of last year. And it was resistance there in April and May of last year. That is a huge level of resistance for the SPY. That level was broken in June. It then became support in June. And now we dropped back down into that level and is now confirming support here again now today. Now, I told you last night on the live stream that I thought we can have a couple days of a bounce, a technical bounce that could last a couple days. I think we get a little bit more out of this bounce tomorrow before we kind of run out of steam there in like the mid 430s. So I think maybe there's another like $1 to $3 of upside in the overall market before we start to stall in those mid to high 430s. That's what I'm looking for going into tomorrow. And that's what we were looking for coming into the day. And that resulted in 85% gains on the 145 strike JP Morgan call option that expires this Friday, September 29th, in at $1.25, out at $2.31, alerted by Chris Toner our professional options trader that's been trading options for over 25 years. Hats off to him. I'm pretty sure he's still long a piece of the position, looking for further upside tomorrow. I think he's going to get it. I think you're going to be looking at a triple-digit gain tomorrow. We got to welcome Jen with a G, it looks like. Jen, welcome to the True Trading Group community. 9 of those laptops now remain. Just 9 of those laptops left. Okay. 9 laptops left. All right. Everybody welcome Jen. Guys, again, go to ttgoffer.com and then use that coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. The price will drop all the way down to $9.97 for the entire year. And you're locking yourself in at that price. Understand that. Now, this actually matters because we have a 78% retention rate at True Trading Group, which means 78% of our members renew their membership or have gone on to become lifetime members. I'll watch. You don't believe me? Guys, type the number 1 if you're a lifetime member or you've been a member for longer than a year. Just type the number 1. And then the people that are not members, just pay attention. You'll see how many people are about to tell you that they're lifetime members or they've been here for longer than a year. And then really think and ask yourself, why would that many people continue to renew their membership and stay with your trading group if they did not believe that they were getting value for the time, money, and energy spent on True Trading Group? If they were not progressing, if they weren't having success, why would this many people still be here? Why would they be lifetime members of our platform if they weren't having success? You want to know what's really easy to become lifetime of? Something that makes you money. That's why we can offer double your money back. We can offer a double your money back guarantee for a couple of reasons. 78% of our members renew or became lifetime members. We are 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 2,300 reviews. Go read them. And our refund rate at True Trading Group, this is the big reason why we offer the double your money back guarantee, is because our refund rate is only 2.39%. If our refund rate was like 10 or 15%, we would not be able to offer you guys double your money back. We'd go out of business. We'd essentially be losing 20 to 30% of our revenue. True Trading is a business, guys. We have over 30 employees. But since it's only 2.39, I can. All you have to do is go to ttgoffer.com. You enter the coupon code TTG121. You see a laptop, cool. Click apply code. The price drops to $9.97. The double your money back guarantee is right there on our website in black and white. Go read it. It's real. Everything on that page you get for $9.97 for the entire year. And then what I was saying about you're locking yourself in at that price. At the end of your membership, our membership could cost $2,400 next year. It doesn't matter. You only would pay the $9.97 to renew if you wish, which I'm confident you're going to because 78% do. So you're locking yourself in. You're grandfathering yourself in at that $9.97 price point. Again, you guys have any questions about this stuff, just text us 786-505-4049. Okay? 786-505-4049. Okay. Back on over to the markets. So that's what we were looking for. Okay. That's what we were looking for there on the SPY, looking for a bounce off of this level. It's a technical level. There was no news catalyst today. There was no economic data. There really was no news that would cause the markets to move higher today, except for technicals. We got to welcome Daniel. Daniel, welcome to the family, brother. That means there's 8 laptops now remaining. Everybody welcome Daniel. Daniel's the newest member of the group. There's 8 of those laptops remaining now. Again, go to ttgoffer.com and you guys can use that code TTG121. All right, so a technical bounce in the markets today. And let's go over and let's start looking at the JP Morgan trade today by Chris Toner. We got to welcome Kerry. 7 laptops now remain, guys. Welcome Kerry. Kerry, welcome to the True Trading Group community. 7 left. Everybody welcome Kerry. Just 7 of those spots now remain. Guys, these are flying. I would actually hurry up. I wouldn't wait for me to be done talking. I would just open up a new web browser now and go grab one because there's only 7 left. So JP Morgan. So Chris Toner waited out this sell-off early in the morning, then got some call options and was able to rip face on that one. We got to welcome June. Junebug. 6 of those laptops now remain. Okay, 6 of those laptops now remain. Everybody, welcome June. Yes, Glennie, that is actually a very famous saying on Wall Street is you sell Rosh Hashanah and you buy Yom Kippur. That's actually a very famous saying. So that's like you guys ever heard the phrase sell in May and go away? Well, sell Rosh Hashanah and buy Yom Kippur. That is actually a very well-known saying on Wall Street. But anyway, JP Morgan. All right, let's talk about JP Morgan. Beautiful move today, but where did this move come from? Not out of nowhere. No. Was this a flip of the coin? Absolutely not. This is a well thought out, well planned, methodical move by one of our professional traders, Chris Toner, that's been trading options for over 25 years. Look at this level. This is textbook support, textbook bounce off of support. Now, you guys will learn how to identify all this stuff as a member of True Trading Group. You'll also have access to receive the trade alerts as a member of True Trading Group. There's your resistance level. There's your resistance level. There's your resistance level. There's your resistance level. You finally broke above that level, and then it became support a couple of weeks ago in the very early days of September. We dropped back down into it, and it confirms support yet again. And all that Chris Toner had to do was wait for the stock to get down close to this level, then buy those call options and let that baby bounce. And there you guys can see beautiful move there to the upside, an 85% gain on the 145 strike Friday expiration call option in at $1.25, out at $2.31, but still holding a piece of that position. I think this is going to end up being a triple-digit gain. That's just my opinion. It's already 85%, so I'm sure you'd all be pretty damn happy with 85%. I sure as hell would be, but I think that we can eke out 100% gain on this. I'll give you the update tomorrow. All we need is for JP Morgan to get to like 147.50. We closed at 146.50. Give me another $1 to the upside, and we can look at 100% gain here on the JP Morgan call option for tomorrow. I'll let you guys know how the rest of that trade pans out. But congratulations on the 85% gain here today. Now, this is why I wanted to repeat that story today, because I told you, I really was trying to explain to you guys when that person asked me those questions yesterday, I was really trying to get the point across that so many people feel that they can't do this if they have a full-time job. So many people think it requires hours upon hours upon hours of your time during the day. It does not. Not when you're using True Trading Group's platform, and not when you're part of this community with the tools that we have available to you and the methods that we communicate all of our moderators' trading activity to you in real time. A lot of members of True Trading Group, most of the members in True Trading Group have full-time jobs, guys. 80% of our members, we got over 10,000 members in 115 different countries. Over 80% of them have full-time jobs. Watch this real quick. Members of True Trading Group, you guys do me a favor real quick. Guys, just do me a favor. Type the number 1 and tell me what you do for a living if you're making money while working a full-time job, please. Just because so many people feel that they can't do this unless they're working from home. It is not true. You could have at 11:20 in the morning today get a notification on your phone that tells you, oh, Chris Toner just bought JP Morgan 145 strike, September 29th expiration call option, and he bought it at $1.25. Okay, let me log in. I just got my notification. I log into my E-Trade account, my Robinhood account, my Webull account. I log right in on my phone. I pull up JP Morgan, 145 strike, September 29th call option. Okay, he got in at $1.25. Right now it's at $1.29. Okay, maybe it's $1.29 now. Okay, he got $1.25. I'll buy $1.29. Boom, boom, boom. Buy $1.29. Set my stop loss and close my phone. And I go back to work. 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 And then 3 hours go by. And then all of a sudden, ding, I get another notification on my phone. I go, oh, wow, Chris Toner just sold. It says he just took profit at $2.31. Oh my God, I can't believe the option's at $2.31. That means I'm up like 80% of my position. Let me log on. Oh, wait a second. It says he's still holding some. Okay, let me log in. I bought 5 contracts. Let me sell 3 of them. And then I'm going to log into my E-Trade account. I'm going to sell 3 contracts. I'm going to hold on to 2. And I'm going to go back to work, and I'll wait until I get another notification that tells me Chris Toner just took his final profit off the table. Can you do that? Can you do that during the day? Yes? Great. Because that's what all of these people that you're seeing right now, they're telling you what they do for a living. That's what they do. One's a carpenter, an X-ray tech, an HVAC contractor, a handyman, warehouse operations, construction, electrician, union wallpaper hanger, Las Vegas, baby. Nice. A boat mechanic, forklift operator, a bartender, right? Like, these are some of the things that these people do for a living while working. They're trading with True Trading Group right from their phone. And for those of them that are lucky that they actually sit at a desk all day long, they can trade right on their laptop or on their desktop, whatever it is. Okay. There you guys have it. So like I said, go to ttgoffer.com, use the coupon code TTG121, click apply code. The price will drop from $2,200 all the way down to $997. That's 54% off. It's available for the next 6 people. You have any questions, text us, 786-505-4049. Again, you got the double your money back guarantee. I quite frankly don't think you need it, but it's there for peace of mind. And it's there to hold us accountable. Go check out the double your money back guarantee, folks. It's right there in black and white on the website. It's real. Go read it. You can't make enough winning trades to equal that $997 membership fee. I'll give you back $1,994. You can keep the free laptop. All right. So there you have it, folks. Well, gang, that wraps up kind of the breakdown and the analysis over the overall markets. Again, I told you I did get out of the last piece of the Instacart position. So I'll pull up Instacart. I shorted Instacart last week. I shorted Instacart last week, and I took my final profit. So we took profits off in the morning today. I took some profit there. I took more profit there, and I got flat right there before the close. So here are my 3 take profits today on the Instacart short. Boom, 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 and I'm out of that position entirely. Okay. Now, what I'm looking for in the rest of the overall markets is, I'm looking for a little bit more upside, maybe a candle that looks something like this. And then I'm going to look for us to then run out of steam and then give you something that looks like this. The trading action that I'm expecting going into next week. Okay, a little bit more of a bounce back and then pull it back down and get back into this level. So let's bounce back to like 436-ish and then roll back down to 429. Okay. Ah, yes, nice move. Glenny, yes, Glenny, thank you for reminding me. Glenny, when did you enter that position, brother? Thursday, I think it was, Glenny. Refresh my memory, please. So Glenny, who's another one of our, or maybe Friday, maybe you bought it Friday. Another one of our professional trading moderators, Glenny, got into this position last week. He bought Kava. Okay. Yes, Thursday. Yes, it was Thursday. So Glenny, another one of our professional trading mods, got into Kava right there on the back of what looks like a double bottom on that Thursday trading action. Right there was the entry. And you guys can see beautiful upside move in the stock today. Stock's up 6% in the stock. The stock is up 6%. So if you guys got maybe some call options, you could be looking at a nice 25 or 30% gain there already. And again, this is not something you need to be sitting in front of your computer screen for. Can you get a notification on your phone during the day? You all respond to text message on the day. So if you say no, you're lying. You all get text message. You all text people back. You probably share memes back and forth with each other for an hour during the day. Well, can you get a text message on your phone, or a push notification rather, because it's a push notification, it's not a text message. It's a real-time push notification through our mobile app. And then can you log in? Can you then go and buy Kava? And then 2 days later, get a notification from Glennie that says, hey, I just took profit, and then log back into your account and sell some shares? Can you do that? Cool. Then you guys can do this. This is the type of opportunities that you're missing out on if you just continue to sit on the sidelines or you continue to limit yourself by thinking, oh, I got a busy schedule, I can't do it. Well, 10,000 people would say otherwise. All right. So there you guys have it. All right. That's what we're looking for. That's what we are expecting from the markets for the rest of this week. We'll see if I'm right about it. Now, the data that comes out this week could change that. We got GDP revisions on Thursday, jobless claims Thursday, PCE inflation data Friday. Those data points are going to have a major impact on the markets. So as we get closer to that, I'll have my game plans, but I'll give you some if this, then that scenarios. If the data comes in one way, how do I think the markets react? How do I position myself? If the data comes in another way, how do I think the markets react? How do I position myself? You'll get it all right here on this channel and inside of the True Trading Group community on our platform. As a member, you'll get all the analysis and all of the real-time trade alerts. That's what you don't get here on the YouTube channel. You can get my analysis, but you're not getting the trade alerts. Lean on the moderators and I. This is what we do. Let us do the heavy lifting for you. All right. Now, guys, if you're not interested in the membership at all, you can sign off the live stream before you go. Subscribe, smash the like button, turn on your notifications. Don't ever miss out on these live streams. But if you are interested, let me actually go ahead and show you our platform so you guys can see for yourself what this way you guys can see for yourself what you're going to be getting access to as a member of True Trading Group. So you guys can see, firsthand. So you guys can see firsthand what your $997 is going to get you, because again, it is an all-inclusive membership. So you will get our chat room, obviously, which is what you see on the screen right now. This is where the mods and I share our screen. We're live on the mic. We're calling out trades in real time. We're with you from pre-market all the way through into the close. We're not gone after an hour and you're left to fend for yourself. You get all the real-time trade alerts right from your phone on the mobile app. You got 2 private study group sessions to speed up your learning curve. You got Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed. Live up to the second news alerts right inside of chat. Congressional trading data to track trades by Congress. Insider trading to track trades by management. Trading Views premium charting software. The Trade Idea scanner streams on our platform for you guys to use during the day. You got our own simulator that lets you trade stocks and options with fake money, but real-time data. So you can practice. A proprietary scanner lets you create custom scans. You get dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, short data, all included. You don't have to pay anything extra for this stuff, guys. It's all included in the $997. You got a trading journal that tracks your trading for you and breaks it down to the statistics so you can see what you're doing wrong. A social sentiment scanner tells you what's being talked about most on social media. You got analyst ratings on any company that you're interested in, so you can see how many analysts have a buy, sell, or hold rating. You got our watch list every day the mods publish. We tell you these are the stocks we're focused on, and these are the entry and exit prices we're looking at. Then you got the courses, which is a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned working at the fund. Beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, futures, you name it, we've got it. You guys get access to all of it. We got to welcome Rowan. Rowan, welcome. There's 5 spots left now, guys. Everybody welcome Rowan. Only 5 spots left now, guys. Welcome Rowan. Guys, all those courses are included. You don't have to pay anything. There's no upsell for courses. Every course is included. Then you got the video library with 600 hours of workshops, and you can attend them live. Now, listen, I can't guarantee that you're going to be successful just because you joined TTG. But what I can guarantee is if you go through our courses, pass our quizzes, attend one study group, we do them every week, attend one, and actually use our platform, if you're unable to make enough winning trades to equal that $997 membership fee during your membership, then we will give you back $1,994. That is double what you are paying to join our community. That is how much we stand behind this platform that we've created and the community that we've created and its ability to help you reach your goals. Our refund rate is 2.39%. Our retention rate is 78%. And we are 5-star rated with over 2,300 reviews on Trustpilot. That's why I can offer this to you. Our refund policy is right there on the website. Go read it. Go to ttgoffer.com. As long as you see a laptop in the checkout cart, you know you're getting one. 5 left. enter the code TTG121, click apply code. The price will drop all the way down to $9.97 and get your butts in chat. It's going to be a crazy rest of the week. Danny Noonan says, just FYI, guys, I watched TTG on YouTube for 4 months before I joined. My only regret is I didn't join sooner. Now I'm a lifetime member, and I've been in many groups before, True Trading Group. Join with 5 exclamation points. Danny Noonan, thank you very much for that comment, brother. Appreciate it very much. All right, folks, there you have it. Again, if you have any questions, text us. We're open book. We're fully transparent. You'll talk to a real person, 786-505-4049. Thanks for tuning in tonight, folks. Smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications. I'll see you all in chat. Later, guys.